Always locked. Here we go. Alright, bike's a little dirty. We just had it out. I don't even know if I feel like washing it or not before I go to the track. You guys show up with dirty bikes at the track? A little dude following me around again. Yeah, we're just gonna take it to the track dirty. Today we're going to Switchback. It's gonna get dirty there anyway, so might as well leave it. I mean, it's not that bad. I just got a little bit of mud on it because we were trail riding recently. The rest of it looks okay. Seat's a little bit dirty. I'm just gonna take it as is and dirty it up some more while we're there. I gotta clean it when we get back, so. But hey guys, good news. The YZ250 just sold, giving it to somebody that I know from work. Their son needed a new bike. Ended up giving it away to, well, not giving it away, but selling it to him. And I'm pretty happy about that because I'd rather it be in somebody's hands who I know rather than selling it to a random person who might just try to resell it for a profit or whatever. But I think we gave them a fairly reasonable deal on it. Maybe could have got a little bit more on Facebook Marketplace or something like that. Put a ton of work into it and just super happy about that. Other than that, let's go ahead and get this bike loaded up, ready to go. Had to get a quick rinse real quick. Now we can get loaded up.
Yeah. Okay. Snake, good. I try to tell him both. I try to tell him both. Let's get it. I got you on what? Yes. One time. My homie selling chronic when my partners pushing property. My DJ making him sandwiches so that he can rock with me. My upgrading overtime underappreciated. Damn, I feel the pain. Know that it's under alleviated. Feel like I'm under a microscope. Dopify my particles. So you'll see me pop up in little critical articles talking about who's the next to the best to beat me with that potential. Y'all pretending to like me is boosting my credentials. Had introductions with fancy. I've been acquainted with lavish and learned it one and it's fun and we used to know you don't have it. I want bucks like in Tampa. Never lower my standards. That's why I still got my eye on the still thing from Atlanta. I'm getting better, baby. Nothing is new. And if you tell me that you fuck with me, I fuck with you too.
Good? Okay. Slippy. It's hot as heaven out here. In case you guys can't tell, I'm about to put on the AC and just sit in the car. Left my canopy at home. Freaking hot. Alright, just got done. Just getting changed. Honestly, guys, this True MX gear is pretty sick. Just super comfortable. A lot higher quality than I thought it would be. They even have the leather inseams or whatever you want to call that right there. Knees are flexible so you can fit your knee guards in there. these O'Neill pads. It's the second time wearing them, these knee pads here. Great. I don't even notice that they're on there, honestly. It's a little bit tighter in my pants just because I have this to go around, but I don't even notice that they're in there. They flex with your knee, which is pretty sweet. So just a little added protection, peace of mind. Hopefully I won't really need them, but even roost and stuff it's good for.
Beating is urgent to emerge in the game. You gonna do cause I'm too sickness with that yoga flame.